Do you have an old telelens and a webcam? Then I'll show you how to turn them into a cool spy telescope. If you don't have a telelens, you can get them at eBay starting from $12. First you take the webcam apart. I use the Logitech QuickCam 4000. Take it apart until you're left with the PCB and remove the lens by unscrewing it. Next you need to mount it behind the telelens. I found a standard PVC adapter that perfectly fits my lens. Make a hole that fits the optical tube of the webcam exactly in the middle of the end cap. Now mount it on the adapter such that it is 3 cm behind the rear end of the lens. I needed a small piece of pipe to fit the end cap. Make sure that all parts are perfectly aligned. You're ready to try out your telescope. Connect the webcam and see if you can focus the image on something at least 100 meters away by focusing the telelens. If you can't get a sharp image, play with the distance between the webcam and the lens to find the right spot. To make a nice housing for the lens, use 2 other end caps and a piece of pipe. One end cap has a large hole, the other one is closed. Make a slot in the pipe for the USB wire. Finally, glue all the PVC parts together using PVC glue. Mount the telescope on a tripod using a rubber band. I use some styrofoam to give it a flat base. Here's an image with my normal camera. The telescope is aimed at the weather station in the circle. Since my lens can zoom, I'll first show you the results at 100mm zoom setting. When setting it to 210mm, the magnification has doubled. Let's try something further away. The car in the circle is 150 meters away. I checked this with my GPS. As you can see, its license plates are easily readable. Even further away is this mobile network antenna. You can hardly see it on the picture, but the telescope clearly shows the antenna. With this simple and cheap telescope, you can even do some basic astronomy and see craters and mountain ranges on the moon. You can of course also use this to spy on the neighbors, animals, or watch other interesting things. And of course you can record hours of video if you have some hard drive space. That's how you build your own USB spy telescope.